Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a lookup source here in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a lookup source in Airtable is a straightforward process that can enhance the relational capabilities of Airtable, making it possible to link different tables and reference the data between them, similar to how foreign keys work in databases. Once you are logged into your Airtable, I want you to go to the table that you're working with, depending on how you set up your Airtable. In my case, I'm going to look on this file. I'm going to click on it, and then I have two tables here. One is for the content creation topics. Okay, so one is going to be the one who's doing the content and upload them. If you are a big fan of our Deep Laughs channel, you know that we do create content to help you solve your problems quickly. If you haven't already, you might want to click the sign up button so you'll get updates from our daily content. All right. So we have so many content regarding about Airtable that you might want to check out. Now, since we are a group of a handful of individuals, one is responsible for the content creator and one is responsible for video uploading. So I want to link these two records, all right, and a lookup source in that sense. Now, for you to be able to do that, there's going to be a plus icon here. That's going to be the field. All I have to do, click this button right here and click the link to another record, okay? Because if you do that, you would be able to find a table to link records with, and that's going to be for these two. Now, I'm going to create a new table, and then I'm going to rename it as lookup source. Now, all you're gonna do is link to the new table, all right? You can also add a description here to make it more visible to the teams that you're working with, because again, I am working with a few individuals inside the Deep Laughs channel. Once you've done that, all you're gonna do is create a table, all right? And then create field. This is going to be the lookup source, and from my doing so, you would be able to manage and connect these data efficiently here in Airtable. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.